Today, we mark an important day in our partnership between the government of Kenya, the private sector, and the United Nations family. If you recall, there was a Greek philosopher by the name of Herophilus who once said that when health is absent, wisdom cannot reveal itself, art cannot manifest, strength cannot fight, health becomes useless, and intelligence cannot be applied. Lack of robust public health systems has proven to be a chink in the world's armor. It has also revealed a truth that we ignore at our own peril. Healthcare systems around the world have been sorely tested in managing this outbreak. And without substantial reprioritization of investment in health and research globally, we will be no better equipped than today when the next pandemic strikes. The socio-economic upheaval we face today has changed the world and will go on changing it for many, many years to come. Behind the headlines of an economic decline that might rival the Great Depression of the 1930s are families separated by closed international borders, some mourning relatives never managed to see and comfort, and millions who no longer have jobs. Describing COVID-19 as a threat multiplier, the United Nations Deputy Secretary General, Madam Amina Mohammed, once said that we have a health emergency, a humanitarian emergency, and now a development emergency. These emergencies are compounding existing inequalities. The central importance of universal health coverage and ensuring healthy lives and promoting well-being for all at all ages is manifested in the Sustainable Development Goal number 3. And we have to achieve this by 2030. In fact, now the urgency is even more clear. Now, to achieve this, new models of multilateral and public-private partnerships must develop so that we can reform, invest, and have greater power in this new form of multilateralism, because we need to all come together in order to deal not just with the health crisis, but as the Deputy Secretary General says, a humanitarian emergency and a development emergency. As the UN Resident Coordinator to Kenya, I am privileged to serve in a country where the spirit of public-private partnerships has been embraced, and Kenya in many ways is leading the way. Our meeting today is to recognize some important milestones. I want to take this opportunity to thank His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta and Madam Deputy Secretary General Amina Mohammed for their vision, leadership, and support.